The inspiring journey of a 20-year-old who rose from poverty to success. Imagine growing up with nothing, no money, no opportunities, not even hope. Now, imagine turning all that around in just a few years, achieving a success most people only dream of. This is the story of a 20-year-old boy who didn't just dream, but dared to rise above poverty and rewrite his destiny. Stay tuned till the end. You won't believe how he did it. Meet Arav, a boy born into a life of hardship. His home? A tiny crumbling room shared with his family of 5. His meals? Sometimes just rice and salt. While his classmates talked about dreams, Arav was just trying to survive another day. At 16, he had no resources, no connections, and no roadmap. But what he did have was something far more powerful: his relentless determination. The turning point. One day, Arav overheard a conversation that changed his life. Someone mentioned, "Opportunities are everywhere if you know where to look." That night, as he lay on the floor of his tiny room, he asked himself, what if I create my own opportunity? And that's when it hit him. His life wasn't just happening to him. He could take control of it. The struggle. Arav didn't wait for a miracle. He started small. He worked odd jobs, washing dishes, cleaning shops, delivering newspapers, all while saving every penny. With the little money he earned, he bought a second-hand smartphone and taught himself skills like graphic design and digital marketing through free YouTube tutorials. He failed countless times, but every failure taught him something new. The breakthrough. At 18, Arav landed his first freelance gig designing a logo for $5. It wasn't much, but it was a start. Slowly, his reputation grew. By the time he turned 20, he had clients from all over the world. Today, Arav runs his own digital marketing agency, earns over $10,000 a month, and even supports other underprivileged kids in his community. The lessons. Arav's journey is proof that success isn't about where you start. It's about where you're willing to go. He says, if you're willing to work harder than anyone else and keep learning, nothing can stop you. His story reminds us that adversity isn't the end. It's the beginning of a powerful transformation. Call to action. Arav's story teaches us that every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Are you ready to create your own? If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, your dreams are only impossible if you stop chasing them. This is your sign to start today. The next success story could be yours.